I realized today I hadn't made a video regarding the webcam spectrometer project that's been going for a little while. I planned on making it with a PVC tube, but I also found some aluminum tube that might be okay. Anyways, just want to note the collimator. These are with laptop parts. So the collimator is basically the fixed razor blade on this side and then the other side of the razor blade on this side. These are some other parts, so I've saved, but not necessarily for the auto-adjusting collimator. The laptop drive, hard drive for the actuator to isolate or to oscillate back and forth. The diffraction grating. They also have a polarizing lens I want to also be able to control, so I can do a sweep with a polarization. That's the hard drive I wound up disassembling and using the magnets for something else. But I wound up going on ChatGPT, started an account, and asked about this, and it agreed. Here, I'm going to show that. So, since I use a different account on this laptop, I'm not good to log right in, but basically I copied and pasted, and I started off, asked a few questions regarding software-defined radio, and then cooling and let's see, transceiver chip updates, and then the diffraction grading. Can you use a finer diffraction grading on webcam spectrometer? Came back with some really neat. Can I use a servo motor or a hard drive actuator arm to sweep the finer diffraction grading so the light wavelength frequency range is detected by the webcam? And yeah, it came back with what I was thinking, with some good information. And I was like, no way, that's kind of cool. And it actually came into a kind of a best image approach. This is good information. I thought, or at least it's good affirmation. Hopefully it's correct. And then the CD drive slit as well for the slit width collimator control. But yeah, I thought that was kind of neat. I went and actually ask some other questions as well regarding like Raman spectrometer with a webcam and IR and some other stuff. But anyways, I thought this was kind of interesting and figured I'd share it because I have not made any videos with regarding, I guess they're all Facebook posts regarding the webcam spectrometer with a hard drive actuator, laptop hard drive actuator, and the laptop CD, DVD, a Blu-ray drive sled to control the automation of the, or improve the functionality of the webcam spectrometer. And then also I should note, I didn't ask, and it's kind of more simple, is sweeping for polarization or other filters if you want to do as well when you're taking a scan. So get more information there, not only regarding the the spectra at one polarity, but basically the range of polarization. Okay, be safe, be safe, stay healthy, take care, bye for now. Ugh.